Go get Ben, Pep. Where is he? Where's Ben? Huh? Go get Ben. Go. Where's Ben? There he is. Look, there's Ben. Yeah, did you find Ben? Yes. Can I have your right paw? Right paw. Hey, give me your right paw. What's wrong with you? Do I have to have treats for you to do that? No? No, why would you do it, huh, silly? Right paw. Hey, give me your right paw. Good boy. Now, give me your left paw. Left paw. Hey, left. What's wrong with you today? Right paw. Left paw. Left. Left. Come on. Left. Okay, whatever. You won't do it for treats. Unless you have treats. You'll do it for a belly rub? Is that what you're saying? Oh, it's Pepper. Hi, Pep. Hey, Pep, get up. Hey, up. Get up. Hey, look. Hey, Pep, look. Look what I have. Oh, why won't you do it anymore? Hey, Pep. Look what I have. Look. You're funny. Roar! 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 I'm gonna get you. Hey, Pep, look. Look here. Hey, look. Hi. Hi, Soupy. Are you gonna give me a kiss? Oh, no, give the camera a kiss. No, give me a kiss. I love you. I love you. Who's coming? Who's coming? Yeah. Hey, Pep. Is that mommy? Is that mommy, huh? Huh? Who's there? Huh, Pep? Who's there? What you doing, Pep? Are you a happy doggy? Look at your tail wag. Look at your tail wag. Thud, thud, thud. Who's there? I can't see you. I'm sitting on the stairs. Stop sniffing the camera. Look. Wow. Hey, Pep, want to dance with me? Come here. Come here.
He doesn't like that camera.
Ready, Pep? This is where his dog treats are stored. Oops, I dropped one. Come on, Pep. Yeah. Come on, Pep. Come on. Come here. Come on. Oh dear. Roar! Roar! Oops. You eat there. Okay, good boy.